What is constructive possession regarding a felon's Second Amendment rights? Have you ever wondered how the law views firearm possession for individuals with felony convictions? One important concept in this discussion is constructive possession. Constructive possession means that a person can be considered to have control over a firearm, even if they are not physically holding it. This is particularly relevant when discussing Second Amendment rights for felons. In the context of firearms, constructive possession applies when a felon has access to or control over a gun, even if it is not in their immediate possession. This legal idea is crucial because it helps courts determine if a felon is violating laws that prohibit them from having firearms. From a Republican perspective, the conversation around constructive possession often balances individual rights with public safety. Republicans generally advocate for the right to bear arms as a fundamental constitutional right. However, they also recognize the need for laws that prevent dangerous individuals, like convicted felons, from accessing firearms. Constructive possession laws serve as a tool to stop felons from bypassing restrictions. For instance, if a felon lives in a home where firearms are present, they could be charged with constructive possession. This is true even if the guns belong to someone else in the household. The reasoning is that the felon could potentially use the firearm, posing a risk similar to someone who physically holds it. In discussions about Second Amendment rights, Republicans may argue that these laws are necessary to maintain public safety. However, they may also express concerns about how these laws are enforced, especially when they might affect the rights of law-abiding citizens living with a felon. The challenge lies in ensuring that laws protect the community without unfairly punishing innocent people or infringing on constitutional rights. Practical examples of constructive possession include situations where a felon is found in a location with accessible firearms or has keys to a safe containing guns. Courts will evaluate the facts of each case to determine if the felon had control or access, not just physical possession. In essence, constructive possession allows authorities to charge felons with firearm possession, even if they are not holding the gun, as long as they have control or access. From a Republican viewpoint, this is seen as a necessary measure to prevent felons from obtaining firearms. However, it also raises important questions about how such restrictions should extend and their impact on the rights of others. The ongoing debate centers on finding the right balance between protecting the community and respecting constitutional freedoms.